Welcome back to another day in the shop. The rear's all welded up and finished out and geared, so we're going to move to the front. We're still waiting on a few parts, mostly just some hardware for the steering, but we can still pull it, gear it, lock it, get everything rebuilt and weld it out, and then come back to the steering. We got a bunch of parts, so the Detroit locker, gears, install kit, diff cover, and pinion flange for Toyota axle. So let's get all this stuff opened up and then we'll set up the axle and start getting to work. We got everything stripped down for the passenger side. Everything was pretty well good and seized up. It's gonna take a lot of cleaning to get it all nice and easy to put together and take back apart, but still gotta do this side, and then I can pull the ring and pinion and start gearing it. Housing is stripped down except for the C's and the knuckles. Gotta pop the bearing races out and clean this guy up. Might just pressure wash it, but all that's out. Alright, so we took all the shims out for each side for the carrier and the pinion, and that way we know what we want to start with and start setting up the new ring and pinion and then adjust as necessary. Got the gears set up, locker in it, everything's dialed in, put the cover on, got the perches and the shock mounts welded. We still got to do the steering ram mount set up, but I'm waiting on some more steering parts, so just gonna put it back in the truck. Everything's ready to weld up to the frame. I'm gonna pull the leaf springs real quick. I did the rear bushings already, but I still need to do the front. So do that real quick, get the springs out. swap out these bushings real quick, and then the shackle side, we're gonna clean it all up and weld those, take the bushings out, weld those to the frame. Make sure that we don't melt the bushings and all the measurements are good, and then I'm gonna make a little plate to just make it a little stronger as well. Got the shackles all welded up inside the frame, made some little plates for them, and got the bushings all replaced and welded out the front hanger. Still gotta weld it to the frame, but almost ready to weld out the whole front.